1, 2, 3, 4. What's up, Jooba people? Thanks so much, Josh, for suggesting the song, and Ryan. They are people that are part of the Jooba community, and they suggested the song. So you can grab the PDF by checking the link below this video. And I've got so it's one thing to say, the original of the song is in drop D standard, so everything tuned down a whole step. But nobody's got time for that, so we're just going to learn it in standard tuning. I'm not going to tune down my guitar. Okay, and to show you the chords here quickly, it's quite interesting. We have a B minor 7, and then a D over A chord, D slash F sharp, and then a G sus2. These are the shapes that he uses. So. Okay, and then he also uses a D, E minor. Oh, let me just move up there. So B minor, 7th fret, A, or you could play it like that, G, A. These are 10th voicings. I've got a tutorial of that in my music theory course. D on the 10th fret, and then E minor on the 12th fret. For the D, he plays it like this, and then the note there in parentheses, you can go. Like that when he's doing his acoustic version. Alright, so that's it for that. The picking pattern is quite complicated. Okay, now the grayed out notes, if you play the grayed out notes, then you'll play the picking pattern that he's actually feeling, but the notes actually coming out are just the colored notes. So he's going it's actually quite a difficult picking pattern, but if you want to play it like robot style, you could go. And the chords switch like on those green ones. Only the first 2 green ones. These chords they do with a pinch. But anyway, once you have the picking pattern, then we can go into actually playing the song. So the song has just 3 different chord progressions. Okay, actually, Actually, but the pre-chorus is just like chords running up towards the thing. So for the intro and the verses, you go B minor 7, D over F sharp, G sus 2. Yeah, we could do nice fills with this song. It's a really cool song. Okay, and then they do that twice in the verse. We open up the season nights, the honey air, to more than a brief goodbye. How could I fail as much as time? That they do. And then go to the A, and then we do, so for the pre-chorus, just before we go to the chorus, we go G. I'm going to show you the acoustic way he plays it. So you start D at 10th fret. D, D. This is like a D sus 2 chord. It's almost like this G. Going to an E minor, 12th fret. G chord after playing that twice. So pretty simple. You can get the lyrics here as well. It's not complicated song, but the hardest thing is getting that feeling on the picking pattern, because you got to kind of feel those ghost notes but not play them to make it sound like the original. So that's where it gets kind of tricky. So I would spend a lot of time on that picking pattern. Okay. Cheers, guys.